Hi there, this is Jom from SSW, and today I'm going to show you my progress on the recipes list page. Let's get into it. So this is a new page, and it lists all of the recipes currently in the system. It has animations, and it is also navigable through the keyboard. It is also responsive based on the screen size. And that's for small. This is for medium, large, tablets, laptops, large laptops, and a 4K monitor. And lastly, this has links to a dummy edit recipe page, as well as a dummy add recipe page. And that's it. What I've shown you is my progress with the recipes list page. This is John from SSW, signing off.